lighting up the buddy heater for the first time. Have it set on low, running the big tank. Just took it out of the box. Starting to glow. It's pretty warm. It's on the high setting. Should keep everything nice and toasty. Turn it down on low. Works well. So, since I didn't start recording from the beginning, connected the filter, which is right there. Connected the hose in off position. And right here on the side, it is in off position. You turn and push down, the poly light comes on, and then you turn to low and it lights up. Oh, and don't forget to turn the tank to on position before you actually try to start it up. The heater does retain a little bit of propane for the poly light within itself, because I tested a poly light before I turned the heater on, and it was lighting up on its own without the hose being hooked up. So, should work pretty good. This is indoor safe portable radiant heater. Let's see if we can get it says 4,000 to 9,000 BTU, includes a 5-foot propane hose and fuel filter. Purchased at Costco just yesterday. The features: low and high settings, heats up to 225 square feet, runs 5.5 hours on low or 2.5 hours on high. And this is what it looks like. In the box. box is a little bit bigger than the heater itself, but it looks pretty good. It's got a little handle here that folds down for carrying, and it's on right now, and I smell pretty much nothing. It is indoor safe. It's preferable that you do leave a window cracked or some sort of ventilation if you're running it for an extended period of time, just to get some fresh air. There's again the low setting. I'm gonna turn it to high, and it just glows. Great for emergency situations, like in this case. We're expecting 1/4 to 1/2 inch of ice. In case power goes out, at least we can stay warm. Turn it down on low. This is just the first run and the test of the Buddy heater, the portable Buddy heater with big tank hose attachment and filter. Thanks for watching.